What's up, guys? Mason.com here, reporting live from the Lakeshore Railroad Museum in my hometown, Northeast Pennsylvania. So, yeah, as you can see here, right behind me is General Electric, number 6002. Fun fact about that, that is actually the only GEVO in preservation. So right here we have the throttle, dynamic brake, I believe this is a brake, a sander, and this right here is New York Central 2374, a Mikado. I always thought this was a moped. There's the three Centrals right there. There goes the Norfolk Southern. You know you can't see. Yeah, there we go. So I do have a HO train table at my house, but nothing like this. Yeah, this. And this is pretty rare. They're actually running a steam engine, and that is Prairie Marquette number 1225, a 284 Berkshire built by the Lima Locomotive Works. Right here's a Niagara. There's a Prairie Marquette, and back there we got Southern Pacific Daylight 4440 knot. Hey, no wait. They're running a New York Central full locomotives. Huh, they kind of even look like Baldwins.
She does the parking lot, yeah.
Oh, okay. Does she do like a gallon project?
Right here's New York Central, Mikado 2374. They have freight order, Amtrak. Say, they actually put names on the bricks here, kind of like a Strasburg Railroad. Right here you got their World War II locomotive, and what they also have is their toner locomotive, their Conrail, and P&SR or caboose. Alright, now that we're gonna look at this, the inside of their General Electric locomotive number 6002. Surprisingly enough, it didn't actually always look like this. It was actually a Union Pacific GEVO. Yeah, now they painted in the GEVO colors.
So you don't drop.
Right here we have their her number. No, it's right here's the inside. Right here's the inside of the locomotive.
Yep.
Right here are the controls. You can see the train cars down there. Hope you like this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll be seeing you next time.